Hey everybody, on this video I'm going to do a quick demo of the YH35 key reader for Yamaha motorcycles using the YM63 or X248 key. And I actually filmed this in the field the other day, but the sun and stuff was bad and you couldn't really see what was going on. The bike's actually wrecked, it's being repaired, so I was able just to take this off and take it home to do the video under better lighting and whatever. So show you how these things work real quick here. It's really simple. Some of these Yamaha ignitions are staggered, where you'll have odd cuts on one side, even on the other side, and if you do run into that, then you just simply read one half and flip it. This one though is all one-sided, so we've got it lubricated, and then insert the reader in there. And these are real simple to use. You just go to number 1 and go to where it stops. So that's going to be a 1. Be a 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. So that's your cuts, and then you can run them through lock code or Instacode to make sure it's a legit code before you cut a key, or you can just trust it and just cut the key. And that's what our key actually looks like. And it of course works the ignition and then the gas cap and everything, and trunk lock and whatnot. So it's a quick demo. I got some of these for Suzuki. I got a Honda one, maybe some couple others. On the bikes they work really well. I don't like them too much for the automotive. The 2-in-1 picks seem to work better for those. But like always, I guess questions or comments, you can just leave them in the comments. And that's going to do it for now. Well, I'll talk to everybody later.